Let me tell you the story of the lion, the fox, the wolf, and the donkey. The four went hunting in the forest one day. They hunted and hunted and hunted until they came across a deer. They all ran after the deer until it was captured by the lion. The lion killed the deer and stood in front of the carcass and declared to his fellow animals, "Now you have to skin the deer." When they skinned the deer, they came to the question of how they divide the spoils. The lion said, "Quarter me the deer." So the animals divided the spoils into 4 quarters. The lion, out of greed, stood in front of the deer and declared the judgment. "Quarter is for me because I'm the king of the beasts. The second quarter is for me because I'm the arbiter. The third is my share because of my share in the chase. As for the fourth quarter, I shall like to see who lays a paw upon it." Grumbled the fox as he walked away with his tail between his legs. But he growled in a low voice, "You may share the labor with the great, but you may not share the spoils." The moral lesson of this fable is that sometimes the regular people who exert so much to bring people to the positions and to let them serve those people equally will not share because of greed and because they have the power. The other moral lesson of the story is that sometimes we shall not forget people who supported us in the chase of food or in the chase of position or in the passage of life, because we shall work as one team and not just be selfish and think of ourselves only. And the third moral lesson is sometimes people call for support in election or to be chosen as representatives of people in their societies. But once they're chosen, they forget about those people who brought them to this position to serve them and selfishly only think of themselves because of corruption or greed, or they forgot where they came from. Thank you very much.